when a gentle breeze drifts by and sunlight settles softly around us. Every step we take becomes its own little adventure. Slow down for a moment and feel the easy calm of the shore. Run with the waves chasing at your heels, because everything here makes you want to stay just a bit longer. Sweat and sea breeze blend into the most honest rhythm of life. Following the small paths, we fall into step with nature. Laughter floats across the water, and the land's vitality is everywhere. Every shade of blue along the northeast coast becomes a bright memory we keep close. The coastline and greenery open up like a painting, and stories begin to unfold. The warmth of nature and culture shares the memories of this place with heart. Mountains meet the sea before our eyes, like nature putting on its own show. Time slips by quietly, and each glance reveals a new view. Different cultures cross paths here, embracing every possibility. The afternoon sounds and flavors wander with the sea breeze. Moonlight touches the crowd, leaving the night with its soft, romantic glow. Stories tucked into quiet corners invite us to pause and look, to savor them slowly. The mountain breeze slips past, whispering like flowers and grass leaning close. With every gaze, we find a new kind of beauty waiting. In this moment, our view feels endless as we listen to nature's quiet symphony. Our hearts move in rhythm with the Northeast coast, feeling the purest kind of freedom.